This exquisite French country-inspired estate is nestled behind the gates of Hidden Hills, one of Los Angeles' most affluent communities next to the city of Calabasas. The timeless and exquisitely designed Provincial home was constructed in 2002 on approximately 1.5 impeccably manicured and lushly landscaped acres. The custom estate boasts an incredibly well-thought-out 12,000 square feet total, offering 8 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms in the main house and featuring imported finishes and European design. Perfect for grand or casual living, this timeless property offers large, tranquil courtyards behind its own private walls. Meticulously handcrafted quality, beautifully elegant stone, marble finishes, and custom steel windows and doors are appointed throughout. The estate showcases a grand European-style entry, an exquisitely large, formal, yet inviting living space with fireplace opening to 2 tranquil courtyards. The main family room with fireplace and entertainment center boasts walls of glass opening to the grandest in scale courtyard overlooking the grounds and stunning cross-shaped pool. The dining room with walls of glass is perfect for large dinner parties with the serene sounds of the courtyard water feature. There is also a separate children's media family room and work area. The impeccably designed European-style gourmet kitchen opening to the family room has 2 walk-in pantries. The walnut-paneled library office with its private entrance overlooks a courtyard with a tranquil water feature. The large projection media and movie room is as comfortable as it gets. The climate-controlled 3,500 bottle wine cellar features its own tasting room. The elegant owner's suite with fireplace features walls of glass with a private balcony overlooking the sparkling pool and park-like grounds. Calcutta marble adorn the owner's retreat spa bath with separate walk-in closets and center islands. The resort-style manicured grounds with Medici-style flowing fountain is graced with pool and spa, patio with handcrafted pizza oven, and barbecue island. The grounds also feature a complete gym, raised garden planting beds, a separate children's play area, a 6-car garage, rose gardens, and exotic fruit orchard set for dining al fresco. Perfectly positioned on the grounds sits the most beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath French country guest house that mimics the quality and perfection of the main house with its own 2-car garage, as well as another separate 2-bedroom, 1-bath guest house with its own separate driveway entrance.